Before.
Yes, High Court.
We have deposited 16,62,082.
There are minor children. More
Yes,
minor
ma'am.
children.
3 minor children more than that.
And other two are parents.
Parents.
How it is apportioned? 50% shall be released to petitioner number 1. 50% shall be kept. Apportionment 50, 10, 10 ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ?
10, 10.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 22 ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಅಪಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ 1 to 6 ಆಲ್.
Please, 1 to.
ಇವರೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Shri Nagaraj Reddy D. Nara Council appears for response 1 to 6. Registry shall show his name accordingly in the cause list henceforth. He submits that the amount is deposited. ಡಿಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನರ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ನಿಮ್ ಶೇರ್ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. 50% ಇದೆ. Her share is 50%.
50% was the share of mother.
So 15 lakhs and odd will be deposited, around 16 lakhs. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನರ್ ಶೇರ್ ಬರೀ 10% ಇದೆ.
Yes.
So she gets major out of it. Amount in deposit. Therefore, registry shall digitally release the share 50% of the amount in deposit to respondent number 1,
5 and 6.
1, 5 and 6 according to their shares in terms of the amount, and invest the balance amount in FD for a period of 1 year.
Adರಲ್ಲಿ 4
She gets 4 lakhs and others get according to their share.
If she gets 4 lakhs, adರಲ್ಲಿ 50% deposit ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ.
No, ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
Yes.
Because other amount is in deposit no already. IA 1 of 2023 is disposed of accordingly. The connected matter ಇದು admit ಆಗಿದೆ.
On the enhancement on the ground lots that income tax returns has not been considered. On the ground lots that 65B certificate has not been given.
List for final hearing of grounds ನೋಡೋಣ ಇರಿ, just a minute. What are the grounds of appeal? So one is negligence. Deceased has lost control over his two-wheeler. Charge sheet was filed against whom?
Against the driver of the bus.
He has not challenged. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ
ಸರ್, ಓನ್ಲಿ ನೆಗ್ಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್.
Quantum of compensation also we have taken.
Quantum they have also challenged.
Multiplier and also my lord the future prospectus, because he already crossed 40 years. So tribunal has taken 40% towards future prospectus instead of 25%. And multiplier also, one multiplier will have to be reduced. Or your lordship can fix up a date, we will dispose of the matter.
Yes, except pleading his evidence, no.
No.
50% of the amount in deposit may be released. Now counsel for the claimants submits that the charge sheet was filed against the driver of the appellant and challenging the when the compensation awarded was inadequate, therefore the claimants are challenged the same in the connected appeal. The records show that the same in the connected appeal. The records show that admittedly the charge sheet was filed against the driver of the appellant. Regarding the quantum, the respondent had not reduced any rebuttal evidence. The records show that claimant number 1 is a young widow, 2 to 4 are the minor children, out of them One child is aged hardly 3 years. Claimant number 5 and 6 are the aged parents. Considering this hearing of this matter may take some time. Considering the same, it would be just and appropriate to release the amount, the shares of response 1, 5 and 6 in the amount out of the amount in deposit and invest the balance amount in FD. Hence, the list is hereby directed to digitally release the shares of respond number 1, 5 and 6 digitally and invest the balance amount in FD for a period of 3 years.
For the appellant in
What is
During the
difference?
course of the day.
one day delay in lodging complaint, the insured himself is riding the motorcycle. We have led evidence regarding no license is concerned. 19 lakhs 50,000 has been awarded.
Like the one that is Philan rider.
Oh.
He was proceeding in hero crash. So she becomes a third party. Holding driving license.
License ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ಶೂರ್ಡ್ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. Some other person has implicated ಅಂತ ರವಿ ಅನ್ನೋರ್ನ FIR ಅಲ್ಲಿ implicated. One day delay in lodging.
Driver is planted. License holder is planted. ಏನು evidence ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ?
Except
RW1
except officer of the company, no other witness has been.
Defense prove ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. Charge sheet was filed against the same driver.
Please, you are not summoned.
You have not conducted any internal investigation. You have not examined any other witness.
Except evidence. Please, that's certain.
How much is awarded?
19 lakhs 50,000.
19 lakhs. Huh?
Death of a mother, my lord, all are major.
There are 3 claimants.
3 claimants.
20 lakhs. 20 lakhs almost, including interest now.
Interest.
They have deposited 10 lakhs.
10 lakhs.
The council heard the driver of the rider of the motorcycle was not having the driving license, and the driver was subsequently planted in the ground. Records show that to prove that defense, the RW1 who was examined was not the eyewitness to the incident. Under the circumstances, there is illa deposit.
Illa MSCT.
MSCT not deposit.
The tribunal is directed to release 50% of the amount in deposit to the claimants in according to the ratio of their shares in terms of the award. ಈಗ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ತಿರುಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್.
ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
Tribunal shall submit the records after the release of the amount. ನಿಮ್ಮದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು.
Please. During the course of the day.
2 weeks time is granted to comply the office.
Cell number 24, Geeta R. Nagraj Hegde. R1.
I'm for the appellants, my lords. We have deposited the amount on 10 March 2025, my lords,
But you have to
before
produce-
Kundapura MA City.
You have to produce the proof of that.
Please, madam. I have a Xerox copy. I will file the original in the
Then
register.
Deposit ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. You
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
have the knowledge?
ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾರಾ?
ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು Shri Nagaraj Hegde, lawyer submits that amount is deposited. Therefore, office subsection in that regard should comply. Okay. 8 days delay again.
8 days.
In administrative reasons, sir.
Please, madam.
2 of 2028.
ಚೀಟಿ.
Considering the reasons necessary to explain the delay of 8 days in filing the appeal is condoned in the interest of system. Payout to 2024 is disposed of accordingly. Okay. The matter is admitted for hearing.
Proceed with,
Record.
along with these two appeals, claimants
One
appeal.
case is there.
ನಮ್ದು ಎರಡು appeal.
So it is submitted that these matters are connected to MFA number so and so, list all the matters together after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Grateful.
Cell number 25, A.N. Krishnaswamy, Osmani Shakir Ahmad, Farah.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವರು?
They have taken the ground of negligence and feigned recovery, because there is a reasoning that composite negligence is held between two vehicles, my lord.
No compulsion will be payable by ongoing vehicle if the vehicle following its.
The claimant was traveling in a car, my lord. It has dashed against the lorry, my lord. So therefore, the tribunal has held that there is a contributing negligence between two vehicles, my lord. Therefore, 50%.
So for them only 50% of negligence was answered.
Friend agreed with me also. Then we wanted to refer it to be Lokadala so that the matter could be.
My lord, at least that 50% will be released, my lord, because, my lord, from the date of accident, my lord, still he is in coma stage, my lord. He is in the vestitive coma stage, my lord. I am furnishing some photographs, my lord.
He was represented through anybody or? If he is in coma, who let in the evidence? Who filed the petition?
My liability is 50%. He will be losing that 50%. And I will have no option to recover from the owner or insurer without there being any documentary proof. He should be made party so that I can recover it from him. That is the reason why we decided that let him be made a party, let the insurer and the owner of the car.
ಮತ್ತೆ remand.
Remand ಬೇಡ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. In fact, some advocate who represents the interest also could be taken. ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.
That application he can file very well, my lord.
Details ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಈಗಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು, ನಾನು details ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Could it be taken up on Monday? Monday or Tuesday?
Tomorrow, my lord.
ಅಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ he was not able to conduct the case. He was represented through his counsel, sorry, his next friend ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. But that is not reflected in the judgment.
My lord, in my appeal, my lord.
Correct. ಅವ್ರು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
An amended decree has been furnished, my lord. Second set also furnished, my lord. In the
Natural guardian of the petitioner has filed his affidavit. Correct.
my lord, petition has been presented through guardian only, my lord. All the proceedings.
ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಟಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. I filed amended petition also, my lord. Amended decree copy ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
Last time, prior one hearing, my lord, I have complied the office objections.
Amended decree copy ಅಲ್ಲಿ. When did you file that? ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ನಿಮ್ದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಸಿಕ್ತು ಬಿಡಿ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವಾಗ when it is 6/8/2024.
I'm furnishing just for reference, my lord, that amended copy.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಅದು ನೀವು ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಕೂಡ now you are held liable 50%. You have deposited total 50%, no?
Totally,
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 50% ಅಥವಾ some amount ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಲ್ಲ? Coupled with oral levels.
There are 37.
37 or 27? Neurologist.
My lord, page number 25,
37.
Clear.
para number 37, my lord.
Plain number. Sir, reference. Newton is conducted. Hundred percent. Lord Council, orders and number. Orders and number 1 of 25. In compliance with the interim order of this court, the appellant has deposited. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯುನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್.
deposited 50% of the award amount before this court under the above application. The respondent one, that is the next friend of claimant, is seeking release of the said amount. Appellant's counsel submits that only 50% of the negligence is apportioned to the vehicle, the driver of the vehicle insured by the appellant. The record shows he further submits that other vehicle, the owner and insurer of the other vehicle should also have been included. Respondent number 1, claimant has suffered 100% disability. 2% disability. And his huge amount was medical expense ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Aspects. Medical bills 37 lakhs. Oh, huge amount was spent for the medical expense itself. Considering the same, the registry is hereby directed to digitally release 50% of the amount in deposit to the next friend of the first respondent. You have first respondent for the benefit of the first respondent. The balance amount shall be again High Court circular the deposit one. I1 of 2025 is disposed of accordingly. List up to the receipt of
Milord, we will also try for a settlement before Lok Adalat. That could be referred also. We will take a chance.
As requested, matters referred to Lok Adalat.
Seal number 26, P. Pradeep Gopal Krishnayan for R1 to R4.
All applications.
My lord, in this case, I pay for the respondents, my lord. Kindly permit the respondent to withdraw the amount of rupees 40,78,556, my lord.
Please of the amount it seems.
Please, ma'am.
Yes, my lord. Kindly permit the respondents, my lord, to withdraw 40,78,556 deposited by the appellant before the tribunal, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Pradeep, you are on what?
Please, my lord.
On what, sir?
In this case, my lord, challenging the negligence of the KSRTC, my lord. The KSRTC bus which was parked on the NH7 road
In this,
without
my
giving
lord,
any.
My lord, the deceased was a pedestrian, my lord.
Yes.
Just a minute, madam. We'll hear him first completed.
Yes, please, my lord.
Since FS Dapali has appeared for respondent number 6 and 7, only his name shall be shown for the said respondents in the cause list henceforth. All right. Reverend KSRTC na?
ಹೌದು.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಬ್ರು KSRTC.
KSRTC
ಗೆ.
So you are the
But
insurer.
yes,
Bajaj Alliance.
order was.
I'm the insurer of Omni car.
Omni car.
Omni.
So this New India was the insurer of KSRTC bus.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ
ಅಲ್ಲ
ಒಮಿನಿ ಕಾರ್.
ಒಮಿನಿ ಕಾರ್ಗೆ ಅವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್.
There are two insurance companies. One is Bajaj Alliance and another one is
ಹೌದು.
New
Judge
India.
Alliance preferred an appeal.
You had insured the Omni car.
Omni.
Yes. ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಯಾವ
The KSRTC bus which was parked on the NH7, my lord, Hyderabad Bangalore National Highway. At that point of time, my lord, the towing vehicle has tagged that KSRTC bus and without giving any indication, my lord, the drivers of the bus are standing behind of that vehicle. They are giving the they are standing there, my lord. The Omni car has dashed against them and the parked vehicle, my lord. The owner of the Omni car driver has been examined, stated that they are not giving any indication or put an indicator. 9:15 p.m. my lord, the accident occurred.
So you say whole of
Please, my lord, as per
entire
107.
negligence was on the bus driver only.
Please.
But they have also examined bus driver.
ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Both so 50% ಎರಡನ್ನು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅವಾಗ.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅಪೀಲ್ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಅದರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ.
It was filed against whom? Both of them?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Against you only.
ಹೌದು.
Yes, ma'am.
Damage to the vehicle?
ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ನಮ್ದು ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು, ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಗೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ KSRTC ಇಬ್ರು ಡ್ರೈವರ್ಸ್ ನಿಂತಿದ್ರು ಹಿಂದಗಡೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ಡ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಇದೆ.
KSRTC bus was parked.
Parked under
this car in which the deceased was traveling at right, it was parked. Behind that, your vehicle comes and dashes
from behind. Parked vehicle dash.
Now this vehicle was damaged from the front side as well as back side. But what it indicates?
ಅದೇ ನಮ್ದು ನೆಗ್ಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಅನ್ಮೈಂಡ್ಫುಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ಡ್ NH7 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್ ರೋಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್ 3 ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಯಾರ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಓನರ್, ನಾವು ಡ್ರೈವರ್ನ ಸಮನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರೇ ಬಂದು ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓನರ್ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಒಮಿನಿ ಕಾರ್.
You have now deposited 50%.
Please.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 50% withdraw ಮಾಡಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ.
Yes, please, my lord.
32, 32 to 29, 23 na ela. What was the age of the deceased?
59 years.
59
years, my lord.
42 years.
59 years.
First case. There are two connected matters.
Standing on the
both are drivers. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅಪೀಲ್ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ
TCS ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು?
No,
ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಯಾವ್ದು ವಿಚಿತ್ರ ಅದರ
7236 of 24.
outside it is found that to consider I1 of 25, the TCRs are required. Therefore, call for TCRs. It is submitted that this matter is connected to MFA number so and so. Please put the matters together after 2 weeks.
My lord, kindly amount may be permitted to withdraw, my lord.
Huh? We are not releasing it. We thought we will see the records. TCS ಬರ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಮೈನರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತವ್ರು ಏನು?
Yes, please, my lord.
27 Sunil S. Narayan, NK Siddeshwara.
Respondent. Recently, I have filed wakalat.
My only
14
it is husband's appeals.
Pray for weeks time.
Husband's appeal. There are two petitions. Wife files section 9. I file divorce petition. Wife's petition is allowed and my petition has been dismissed. This is ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಇದೆ. MFA 8618 of 2024. This one is with respect to.
It is submitted that this matter is connected to MFA number so and so.
ಅದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಟಿಸ್, ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಸಲ ಎರಡು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮೊದಲು ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟು
ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
delay ಇದೆ
ನನಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಕಾಪಿ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇದ್ದು ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ
ಆಗ್ಬೋದು.
ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ
ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಡಿಲೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ
246 days delay is there.
ಲಿಸ್ಟ್
I will also file objection.
after vacation only, no execution, no.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
After vacation ಅಂತ
After vacation.
litigation charges ಅಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
litigation
Huh?
charges
ಇನ್ನು ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೇಸ್
8618.
because
you have to file an application
please I file
whether it was any intermittence was granted before the time.
No.
ಅದೇ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ that is the reason my lord, she is
2 weeks.
badly need of
2 weeks. 2 weeks.
After vacations.
2 weeks ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ after vacation ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Cell number 28, Rajendra NA, SPP.
I'm offering for the appellant here.
Just to verify the antecedents of the accused, my lordship. There are no antecedents, my lordship.
No antecedents. ಈ ಸಿಗರೇಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಗರೇಟ್ ವೆಂಡರ್
When he was remanded.
so the deceased was not the owner of that cigarette shop.
No, Your Honor. The
PW3
CW3, he was the owner of the shop.
Receipt from pending.
CW2, PW3 was the owner of the shop. Yeah.
Para number 54 of the judgment.
Then is it a case of any other consumption along with is it a case of then is it a case of any other consumption along with the cigarette tobacco?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಸಿಗರೇಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂತಾ ಇದ್ವು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
17 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕ್ರಿ?
ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸಮಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿ ಈಗ
He's married now.
married and one child is there, Your Honor.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಬಟ್ the thing is during that time he was decision making maturity ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದು. CW2 is examined as PW3.
Yes, ma'am.
He is the eyewitness.
Eyewitness, my lordship. And JJ board has observed that he has that
Para 54 is said.
yes, tendency of committing crime.
Tendency ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ, he is capable of understanding mindset of an adult ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. His mental age was
Yes.
beyond juvenility. But selling the cigarette to the minors is also an offense, no? Why these people should indulge into that? We have a doubt whether it was a simple tobacco cigarette or something else.
ಅವರು ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಸಿಗರೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂತಾನು ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. CW2.
Correct. Now you know how these things are being circulated in the form of juice, ice cream, etc. What is the number? 2 of 2025. The appellant, he was accused number 2, no? CH
Number 1,
charge sheet.
See, accused number 1 you on.
1,
1.
17 years. Accused number 1, 3 ಮೇಲೆ charge sheet ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Who was A2? Charge sheet ನಲ್ಲಿ A2 ಹೆಸರು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ? A1 is Vinay Kumar ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Child in conflict with law. A3 is BR Prashant Kumar ಅಂತ ಇದೆ.
A1 ವಿನಯ್, A3 BR
A2 ಮತ್ತು A3
ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್.
ಇವರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಪ್ರತ್ಯೇಕ ದೋಷಾರೋಪಣೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. Where is the name of A2 here in the charge sheet? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಬ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನ ತಲೆಮರೆಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. The appellant was case number 1 in crime number 591 of 2018 of Vijayanagar police station. Vijayanagar police station himself. Vijayanagar police station. Vijayanagar police station himself and himself, accused number 2 and 3 are charged sheeted in the said case for the offences punishable under section 341, 323, regard to legal section 34 IPC. It was alleged that PW3 was selling. That the accused used to buy cigarettes from the shop of PW3, the alleged eyewitness, and they were due to pay him some money. When PW3 and deceased Mahadev asked amount due, the accused in BGS playground of MC extension Vijayanagar assaulted Mahadev with dagger when dagger and committed his murder. When PW3 went to his rescue, they assaulted him also. 307 ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ, and caused him simple injuries. It was alleged that accused number 2 stabbed the deceased with dagger on his stomach, and the appellant stabbed the deceased with the dagger on his chest, ribs, head, upper and left hand and legs, and then leg, thigh, and abdomen. Next. Admittedly, at the time of the alleged the offence in question, the appellant was aged 17 years. 17 years. 17 years. On the assessment of his mental ability was sent to trial. In special case special CC number 973 of 2021, the trial court on a trial has convicted him for the offence punishable under section 302 IPC and sentenced him to life imprisonment and fine of this 20,000. Next paragraph. Concluded before the regular court.
It is pending before CCH 59, SC number 1034 of 2019.
Number in SC numbers
1034 of 2019.
2019.
For year before charge, hearing date is 28/5/25.
As against case number 2 and 3, the matter is still pending in SC number so and so at the stage of hear before charge. During the trial, the appellant was on bail. Learned HCP submits that the appellant has no other criminal antecedents. This hearing of this matter may take some time. Considering the fact that the incident occurred during when the appellant was still minor, and the evidence of fidelity, the alleged eyewitness has to be very appreciated. It's a fit case to grant suspension of sentence and bail with suitable conditions is the following order. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಇನ್ನು ಪೇಪರ್ ಬುಕ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾಗಂದ್ರೆ admit paper book shall be prepared within 6 weeks. List after preparation of the paper books.
My lord, I appear for the appellants. My lord, in this case, my lord, 17 days delay in filing the appeal, my lord. By the delay application, notice has to go.
R1 and R2, who are the other respondents?
My lord, R3 is the insurance company, R1 is the driver, R2 is the owner of the vehicle.
Sorry. ಯಾರು ಫೋಟೋ ಹಾಕಿದವ್ರು ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದಲ್ಲ? ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಫೋಟೋ ಹಾಕಿದಲ್ಲ? ಬಿ ಪ್ರದೀಪ್. Notice ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. She B Pradeep, learner standing counsel for respondent number 3. Yes. Requested to accept notice for respondent 3. ಉಳಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಕಾಪಿ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. What about 1 and 2 notice ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ?
Yes, my lord.
Appeal is by whom? Claimants.
Claimants.
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
My lord, is case of death, my lord, 20 lakhs.
Tax 3,000 is awarded.
Yes,
payable by whom?
R1 and R2.
Who are the payable?
Driver and the owner of the vehicle.
ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಗಿದೆ liability.
Yes.
23/6.
Okay.
See number 30.
This matter I think for David
Number
respondent.
30, C.R. Ravishankar. A. Srinivasaya for R1 and R2.
ನೀವು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಏನೋ ಡಿಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
No, consider the you produce the proof. 6 time to produce the proof of deposit. Delay donation ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಏನು ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟಿವ್ ರೀಸನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾರ? routine administrative reasons, communication gap, etc. Considering reasons assigned to explain the delay of 90 days in filing the appeal is condoned in the interest of justice. IA 1 of 2025 is disposed of accordingly. Admit call for TCS list of the
My lord, amount deposit ಮಾಡಲು ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇದಾಗ್ತದೆ. After the release of the amount and
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ? ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ
Before the tribunal ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರು, ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ 2 weeks.
ಅದೇ ಎಕ್ಸಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಏನು ಫುಲ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಏನು ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್?
ಅಲ್ಲ